Hello YouTube, this is Ethan Stanley in the Stanley Movie Theater, and I'm about to open and make my first engineering experiment from KiwiCo. big words like resistor. Yeah, that looks like that, yeah. Oh, dropped one. Found it. Mission accomplished.
Good job.
Right angle. Oh, it stays so easily. That is satisfying. Just, it's awesome. I'm being an engineer when I grow up. Oh.
Test time.
Oh. Ah.
Nervous?
Yeah. Okay, test time, test time, test time.
Go ahead. There it goes.
It's spinning. Oh, it's spinning, and it's spinning fast. Whoa, dude. It's spinning. Look at that. That's the coolest thing.
All right.
Dude. all done. Now I'm gonna try to change the speed. So it says for me to place the black battery wire from line 1 to line 3 and see what changes. I think my hypothesis is that it's gonna go slower, but we'll see. Alright, test. Yeah, ooh, I don't know. That looks faster. Oh, that's faster, actually. I don't know, look at it, I think it's faster. That is crazy. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's gotta be faster. I wanna see how fast this can go, so I'm gonna change it. Since changing it from 1 to 3 made it faster, I'm guessing that the higher number of lines is on, the faster it gets. So I'm changing it all the way to line 7. That's the top you can put it in. See how this goes. If it did get faster, I don't know. So, time to test it. I don't know if it got faster or slower, but I guess we'll see. Looks like it's actually, oh, wait. Yeah, I think it's slower. I don't know. It's speeding up though. So we're gonna just let it spin for a little while. It's really quiet too. I didn't think it'd be like quiet, you know? It's like a Tesla quiet. I don't know. I don't really know if it's going faster or slower. Well, now that I look at it, I think faster. So yeah, I don't know. Looks like it's going faster to me. Since I still don't really know if higher number makes it faster or not, now I've changed it to the lowest line, 1, to see if I see any difference. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, higher or slower by a long shot. Jeez, higher is definitely slower. Oh my gosh. Like, it's vibrating. It's when you hold it. Dude. Like, can you hear that? You hear the... That is really fast. Okay, I was wrong. Higher number is slower. That is really crazy. So, why I think it goes faster and slower. So, it's 1 over here, 7 over here. So 1, 2, 3, all the way to 7, going this way. So I've got it on 7 right now. The reason I think it goes slower that way is because there is more resistors that the electricity has to go through before it gets to the black wire on the motor to get the thing spinning. So when I had it right here, it was on the same line, so it just immediately shot through with as much energy it could have possibly had, and that's why it spun so much faster and had such better acceleration when it was over there. Boom. Time to paint some stuff. So I'm gonna start. Okay, let's. Oh, whoa. Some more up here. It sounds like rain. Boo-boo. Put some. Oh, that's a lot of paint. Oh, geez. Put that right there. Add some yeller. Oh, that is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, who thought of these? Who thought of this? Who thought they were gonna make some spinny paper? Okay, let's glue it on. Touch blue, touch blue, touch blue. I like a dead center blue. Oh man. Oh, I mean green. So I'm just gonna kind of let that. Oh, it's just one line of paint on the inside of the box. Oh, that's funny. Kind of let it splatter a little bit more before I turn it off. See how this thing looks so far. Probably gonna look jank because I've never done this before, but we'll see. Okay. Oh, jeez. Ah, look at that. That's weird. This is my final creation. Probably gonna add some more to that, just not in the video. But thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. That would be great because my dad does really good on his videos, and he works hard on building his theater and anything else he wants to do, because I mean, he's smart, he can do what he wants to. And yeah, like and subscribe. Goodbye.